ويذكر عن عامر بن ربيعة قال رأيت النبي صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم يستاك وهو صائم ما أحصي أو أعد. وقال أبو هريرة عن النبي صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم: لولا أن أشق على أمتي لأمرتهم بالسواك عند كل وضوء. ويروى نحوه عن جابر وزيد بن خالد عن النبي صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم، ولم يخص الصائم من غيره. وقالت عائشة عن النبي صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم: مطهرة للفم مرضاة للرب.
Narrated Amir bin Rabia, I saw the Prophet cleaning his teeth with siwak while he was fasting so many times as I can't count. And narrated Abu Huraira, the Prophet said, but for my fear that it would be hard for my followers, I would have ordered them to clean their teeth with siwak on every performance of ablution. The same is narrated by Jabir and Zayd bin Khalid from the Prophet, who did not differentiate between a fasting and a non-fasting person in this respect using siwak. Aisha, the mother of all believers, said, the Prophet said, its siwak is a purification for the mouth and it is a way of seeking Allah's pleasures.